If you have issues with the mobile data not working properly on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then here's what you can do. So, first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to settings, and of course you want to make sure that the airplane mode is not activated. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident, and we might not even be aware of that. So make sure that it is off. Besides that, before you move on to these mobile network settings, what you can also consider is the fact that sometimes we can experience outages on the carrier's side or service provider's side. So this might not be the fault of your phone that you don't have access to mobile data, that that the internet doesn't work for you, but rather this can be an issue on the carrier's side, as I said. But if you are certain that you have an issue with the phone, rather than there is a fault with something else, then what you can do is once you go to the mobile networks, first we can of course check if the mobile data is enabled. Secondly, if you have more than one SIM, you might want to check which SIM is used for mobile data, because in this case, if you have two SIMs active, you can of course choose which SIM should be used for the mobile data and which one should be used for, well, which one should not be used actually. And of course you can use only one SIM for mobile data at a time. We can also tap on the SIM card settings, and over here you should be able to find the preferred network type. And for example, if you switched from 5G to, let's say, LTE, then of course you might want to switch back to 5G, at least temporarily, in order to see if that helps. And sometimes of course this can be quite helpful as well. And finally, another thing that is worth mentioning is you can, for example, reboot your phone. A simple restart sometimes also helps. So try to restart your phone and check if that helps. But if it didn't, if none of this helps, then what you can do is you can go to additional settings over here. And sorry, not additional settings, my bad. We want to go to more connectivity options. And then in here you should be able to find reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and the Bluetooth setting. And this setting allows you to reset all of these three networks. And as you can see, unfortunately, these three things will be reset at once. You cannot separate it. So if you decide to reset these settings, you will have to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks, and you will have to pair your Bluetooth devices again. Over here you can also choose which SIM you want to reset. So of course you want to choose the one that you use for mobile data. This option is available if you have two SIM options, if you have two SIMs active. If you have just one, then of course just that one will be reset. And once you do the reset, you might want to just check if you have access to mobile data. Just double check if the mobile data is enabled over here in this place. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.